I'll show you what works if you wanna talk tough. Acting up, little thoughts in my place. Wanna fuck, getting bored of all these bitches that can bring me to a nut. With the rust on my cuts, triple kiss like I'm dust. Bathtub full of ice while my bag feeling numb. Motherfuckers don't give me a really soul that I'll let go. Your girl is easy, find her in a cage at Petco. Efron, deadlock, I let the guillotine fall. I'm here to pick up your head from the bucket and stall. Do you know, I see your face that is stricken and all. I know, you see, my shadow is right down the hall. Sealed doom, I'm another sand with a dim gloom. With my team at gooning and rolling out like a blood zone. Liquorous and three stocks, spamming with an S-stock. 3,000 feet, buried bodies under bedrock. Fake rocks under neck, AliExpress. Bitches want some personality, but mine is just depressed.
I'm woken yesterday, I'm erasing away these faces. I got grinders in my kitchen just to keep my blade serrated. No, I keep it meditated when my senses of erases. I don't got a PhD, but I'm still managing my patience. Got me writing medications for wrong reasons. Fucking season, I'm busy punishing my treasons. I'm a god of racing being with no knack for what I'm seeing. So I take it in and end up killing all of what I'm feeling. What the fuck am I feeling?
It's too late, dude. Tito in the rocker, tripping off of Quaaludes. Take the bottles, I'm sipping off a poison. Driving by with a suppressor, calling it a dick appointment. Yeah, yellow fake, spitting shit verbatim. You do anything for plays. I'm a demon in my heart, I'm trying to see my final days. I'm gonna pull up with the devil when you rappers call me Sakurai. Efron, deadlock, I let the guillotine fall. I'm here to pick up your head from the bucket and stall. Do you know, I see your face that is stricken and all. I know, you see, my shadow is right down the hall. Just let it teach a lesson. I got people willing to slip me some major presents. Foggy water, I see the bottom with luminescence. Like in adolescence, my habits make me a martyr. Who's to say that killing people gives me father? I could poach a couple bitches off the people that are smaller till they roll up to my house with a drink. And when I saw off and blow, bitch. Got a crater in my ribs, thinking twice about my choices. Never trust a bitch, never really on my fresh shit. You can suck a dick, never play with my emotions. I'ma hit a lick, you thinking like a soft flow. I don't get it, you can't claim to saying that you really are. Guessing I ain't Lotus Smith, the West, and where I'm at, bitch, I'm guessing. Guess the miss will teach a lesson, get a fistful of aggression, bitch, I'm restless.